Okay, we are now installing a window air conditioner. All right. Step 1. Cut the screen with a butter knife. Courtney, gotta take the screen out, please.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Cut it down. Cut it down.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, step 2. Pick up the air conditioner. Stand by.
Does this sit in here? You can just sit.
That's nice.
Is it centered?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, now we need to shut the window.
Okay.
See, we need to put something level underneath here, but we'll do that in a moment.
That's it.
And you know, the little bit of tricky part is we got to get that screen out because look at the window is all tilted.
Should we cut it out?
We're gonna have to get the screen out.
Okay.
Okay, so
All right.
All right. I'm gonna do this carefully, so I don't drop it. I'm gonna put this on your bed. Is there anything underneath it?
No, you're shit.
Right on the little.
Yeah, it is. Okay. So you got it.
All right, so it gets it out.
Watch out for that glass. It might fall on your head. No, I don't think it's. Good thing I cut a hole in that screen. I'm really glad I did that now.
Well, no, what you can do is you can go to Ace Hardware and they can rescreen this.
Okay.
They can.
Glad we. All right. Do you need help?
Let's try this again.
Okay. Do you need me to read the instructions? How about that?
See, now it's more flat.
Okay. All right. Do you like my curtains?
Where?
Yeah.
I don't have any curtains.
I accidentally broke those one night.
Wait, which ones? Those?
One's above you.
That's all it's to it.
Okay.
I'll take you like this.
Oh, that's fancy.
Oh, we need to put some. Do you have those instructions I gave you?
Somewhere.
Because we have some. We have some. Weather stripping.
Okay.